um his channel. We are doing a evening walk in Virginia forest. We have my dad, me, and my little brother right in the back. We're now heading back from the forest. Let me, yeah. Right away, Moho. It's on the right way, right? When we're coming back? Because there's two paths.
What is that?
What is that?
Like a flower.
It's a flower?
Yeah.
What kinds of flower?
Oh, what kind of flower is this?
I don't know. Be careful, Sarvam.
Huh?
Be careful.
Huh?
Be careful. You tired?
It's only been like 10 minutes.
Huh?
Kind of like, no, I'm not tired.
You're not tired?
Why not? Tired, why not?
Tired, है ना?
Why not?
So what's over here? Look up, look how big.
Huh?
That looks like a sequoia
Top
tree.
of the tree.
Oh man. It's a tree, yeah? Too tall, yeah? आगे को आपको आगे जाओ.
Wait, is this
it's all shorter, huh?
wait, is the sequoia tree the
This is
tallest
too
thing?
tall, look.
I don't know. I don't know about trees, I don't know.
It's really like super big sequoia. It's taller than that big tree.
Be careful.
That's loud.
Come here.
Here, देखो. Oh.
How much minutes are we gonna stop?
We're not gonna stop. We're gonna keep walking.
Yeah, we keep walking.
Minutes are we gonna stop?
Huh?
We're not gonna stop though. We're gonna keep walking. Sorry.
Forever?
No, and then we're gonna go back. We're gonna turn back, keep walking like, I guess 10, 20 minutes.
Oh, what is that? What is that? What is
Squirrel.
square?
Flip it. Flip the camera.
Marjum. Hand move nagar. Zoom gar more. तल बस्न move nagar na. यो हुन्छ किन higher quality हुन्छ. If too much zoom गर्यो then हेर्नु यता lower quality look हुन्छ, right? So that's why म यता like यसो squirrel. Eating something, yeah. Probably like a nut. Probably like a nut. Oh. Oh. Full zoom गर्नु. We're halfway done.
Huh?
Halfway, remember? Look.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we almost there.
Mm-hmm.
Nice walk, you know?
Mm-hmm. You can don't touch anything, okay?
Jacket land. Don't touch anything.
You can touch the ticks. That's what we're that's what we're afraid of the most.
We walk a lot, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Like 1 hour?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe that side.
There's a wood thing in front of there, so we can't go. There,
This side.
that time? Oh, so we came from that way. If we want to go, we have to go that way. Yeah.
Which side will we
Oh wait, it might go around. You want to try to go?
Wait, let's go.
Let's go.
Well, we're not going.
No, we are. Home is that way, Sarvan. Yeah. Be careful here. It's more narrow. Yeah. I mean, we can go back over there. See? Uta. Over there. Yeah. See, the path curves to the left. Ah, Etacho. Come on. Eta. Sarvan, wait, get. Sorry. Oh yeah, it goes straight up. See?
Huh?
It's the same way, John. So this one just goes.
We park over there. Maybe that neighbor.
Maybe.
There, yeah, with the house.
Oh. No, that's just a tree. Look, we can go though. Yeah, we can go here. This is the path we went on.
Are we going home?
Yeah. Go that way, then go to the left. Mm-hmm, this way.
You remember that tree?
Mm. You can hear the geese.
Huh?
Geese. Oh yeah, we're almost to the car. There's a little entrance or exit of a tree. So,
Yes.
sit. Hello. Lama oluyor canım. La. Kasayı switch. Oh. Kasayı switch करने. And गर्नु then switch करने हुन्छ.
होइन, इन नगर
कसरी?
इन गरेर we go back जाने फर्किने
That's okay. They'll be walking. We have 40 minutes. Let's
Yeah.
keep walking.
keep walking. टच नगर्छु like Waksu.
Mm-hmm.
I like to walk.
Yeah, I like
With that board.
Come on, faster. Go.
That board.
I'll go over it. Come on. Come on.
What is this?
Concrete.
This is concrete.
Tile. Oh, you have to take a tile.
It's a tile.
Yeah. There used to be a tile there. Yeah. Or there is.
Huh? We go back.
Let's walk for a little bit. Few times that's a little extra. What time when is Sasko?
6.
Baba,
Huh?
few time I with the Sasko.
What time now?
6 so far. But it's like really bright. Let's go over there first. Did that good? Record.
No, this is a house. So सुमन त वाक गर्ने हो त्यता
What is this? What is this?
Eat it.
Huh?
What?
What is this?
Mushroom.
You know mushroom?
Don't touch it.
Huh?
Do not touch it.
This.
It might be poison.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it might. Still don't touch it. Now
Okay.
let's go.
Let's go. You like wax sarvam?
Yeah.
Oh, look. What is that?
Yeah.
Rabbit?
Squirrel?
What is it?
Rabbit or
Where?
so there.
Let the tree uproot wild.
It broke.
Yeah. Be careful, there's animals.